Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IPIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one. This was what we would call a gap and trap on the day. If you're new to charts, what does that mean? Well, on Friday, the price closed right there and then opened up right there. So hence the gap up. And then after the market opened up, just down the remainder of the day. But overall, the chart's still making progress. What do I mean by that? Well, even with where the price closed right there, so just kind of give an overall idea, you look at where it was last week and the price was down around this area. So if you envision those as stair steps, there are still stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So it's really just a matter of, well, what perspective do you care about? If you care about just today individually, then yeah, it was a rough day. It was a gap and trap today. But if you care about more than just one day, and if you care about multiple days, then overall, sure, it pulled back, but the overall trend is still, progressing upwards. So it really, like I said, boils down to what was your perspective? What was, your kind of game plan going in? And that'll dictate more so whether or not the chart is bullish or bearish right now. But like I said, assuming you do care about the big picture of things, even with the gap down, you still have the higher low. And not only that, you still have the price above both the 50-period moving average and the 200-period moving average. So from that point of view, things are still firing on all cylinders in that regard. So keep an eye on those levels. Those will be important levels of support. As far as areas of resistance, though, are concerned going forward, if there is going to be any sort of return back to the upside, that level right there at 16 cents has proven to be quite the very stubborn area after today. So keep a close eye on 16 cents from the resistance side of things. And then again, from the support side, that 50-period moving average, which is currently valued right around 12.5 cents. But overall, kind of a tricky chart, but big picture wise, the bulls are still in control. So let's see if they can ultimately chip away and build a higher base. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.